Shenzhen Dagro. So hello.
Hello, my name is Jessie and from Dagro company. How are you today?
So you make CCTV?
Yes, we make CCTV products, and this is our new Wi-Fi IP cameras.
This is using ARM CPU, high silicon with this IP camera connected to the internet, and there's Ethernet on the back. Can you see Ethernet? And this power, and it can turn it on and connect to the phone. Let's go in your showroom.
Okay, let's go. Let's get this.
So here's the sales team. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. All right. So the sales team, you work with different countries.
Yes.
So.
And this is our assist.
Hey.
Hello.
You work with the USA, right?
Yes, I'm Nick and I'm expert from the USA.
USA and.
Hello, I'm Enzo. I work for Mexico, United Kingdom, and Ireland.
All right. Many different countries, like Arabic country, different. Okay. People can connect with you. And here's the showroom.
Yes, this is the showroom.
So what are you showing here?
Okay, this is our DVR and this is the camera. Demo is for this is the demo is for our analog cameras. Right now, our analog cameras and HD cameras is very hot sale, and this one is CMOS. The first one.
Which one is CMOS?
CMOS is this one, the small one. We have different housings, so we can change to other housings, so it's okay. The first one is the CMOS 700 TV lines.
All right, 700 lines.
Yes.
That's the old style. This is the analog, right? And this is also analog.
This is also analog, and this is the Sony 700 TV lines.
Right.
And for this kind, maybe the next version will be better.
All right.
But right now, CMOS is hotter on the market.
IP camera is cheaper.
Besides the models you choose, but right now IP cameras is very hot on the market because maybe it's very easily to view by your PC or by your mobile phone.
So this IP camera right here. So what's the price?
The price is decided quantity. Maybe normally it's around $25 for maybe 100 pieces. So we can accept the samples orders.
So what's the history of your company? So how long time you make CCTV?
Our company established in 2006, and we have to do the CCTV experience maybe for 10 years already.
10 years already, and doing many models.
Yes.
And what are all these lights? What is it for?
This is LEDs, and this is for night vision. And for this kind, there is maybe 24 and 48 LEDs, and the night vision is different.
So it can film the cats and the dogs in the home at night.
Yeah,
and
this is
other
indoor dome cameras, and this one is blade. And this kind, all of this kind is in our HD and analog cameras.
What is this?
This is our DVR kit.
DVR kit.
Yes.
So
this is our.
Is this
DVR.
what people get inside the kit? You get 4 cameras.
Yes, there's 4 cameras.
Can you see this?
And this is a DVR.
And a DVR box.
Yes, this is a DVR recorder.
So it's a DVR. You put a hard disk inside.
Yes, hard disk. It's for 1-piece hard disk and max 4 TB.
Cool. Can we go and talk with your engineer and do a tour of the factory? We're in the factory right here.
Okay, let's go. And what's more, I want to introduce our bump cameras. Is that cool?
Yeah, what is that?
This is our new bump cameras, and maybe you at outside you can see it's just like a bump, but it's a cameras. It also with Wi-Fi and without Wi-Fi, and there is a memory card slot inside.
So it just goes in any light bulb, and it goes with Wi-Fi and without Wi-Fi.
Yes.
How to do without Wi-Fi if it's a bulb?
Without Wi-Fi, there is a memory card slot here, so you just insert the memory card, and then video can be recorded to this memory card slot directly.
Can it also do light?
Yes.
Also do light or no light?
This can't. This can also do light. This can be the normal light, but this one cannot.
All right. And so if it goes Wi-Fi, it does the same functionality as IP camera.
Oh no! Right now it's just for cameras.
And
but it's very easily can be used, can be controlled by your mobile phone number, can be viewed by your mobile phone and PC.
APK and storage and recording. And how much is the price for this?
Maybe $30 around.
$30, you get the light bulb camera. So let's go to your engineers.
Okay.
They're making new PCB right now, right?
Okay.
So where are we now in Shenzhen?
Here.
What is this area? Longgang?
Yes, we are in Longgang district and Bantian.
So here's some different offices you have.
Yes, and this is our engineering department.
Let's go in here.
Yes, go inside.
Hello. Hey, hello. How are you? Hey, so you make software for IPTV CCTV camera system? This is Linux?
Yes.
What happened here? This high silicon 3518 SDK.
Yes.
And connect and to do what? You are hacking this one?
Yes.
And this is the way you connect into it. And this is also software?
Yes.
Visual Studio or something? Alright, and this guy, what he's doing?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. So you're making PCB design?
This is the PCB.
And can we see the PCB here? Can we see PCB?
Yes, PCB design.
Yeah. So this is also high silicon. And the round one?
Yes, the round one.
Round PCB like here. New product for a new customer? Or what is this?
哪个是35181的？
35181这些都是。
This is with Ethernet connector.
Yes.
And it's very important that the heat should be low heat, so it can last very long time. It needs to be power on all time. Never turn off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the factory.
Okay.
Oops, this way. And this guy also, what is going on here? What is he doing?
你这是在做什么？跟大家打招呼吧，杨工。
Hey, what is this?
这是什么？你这是在做物料表是吗？
对，做一些。
他在做表。He's doing the format for the materials.
All the
and some
different
data,
materials?
Yes, and the data for some cameras.
Cool. Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
Right here. All right. So how do we enter the factory?
Factory here.
Okay, let's go. Right here. Okay. So how many CCTV cameras you make?
Maybe every month around 100,000 every month.
100,000.
Yes.
All right. So you're putting stuff on there.
Yes.
Putting it together.
Hi.
I know. Hello. Putting a battery with
Yes.
holding it together. So 100,000. That means every day is 3K. 3K one day. Hello. What is he doing? Can you ask what he's doing?
在做什么？现在在做什么？
在插灯吧。
啊？
插灯吧。
插灯板是吧？Make the air board.
A board. Okay.
Yes.
Is this IPTV or is it analog?
This is our analog cameras, and this one is memory card. And there is a memory card slot in it. It means you for the maybe for the traditional analog cameras you should connect the DVR, but for this kind there is a slot for the memory card, so you do not need to connect the DVR right now. So this one is our new product.
All right.
This is our app camera.
What's she doing?
你在做什么？插这个镜头。What the lines?
The lens.
What the lines?
Okay. What is she doing?
This is our testing station.
So the small camera is saying 你好 something?
可不可以跟他打个招呼？说中文就行了。你
Okay.
好。
What is this? The sound coming out.
This is also our memory card cameras. And
Right.
she is testing the cameras. This is also testing station.
Testing all these. And updating software? What's going on here? Software?
Yes, he's testing the software function.
Right.
Okay.
What's going on in here? Hey, 你好 hello. Hello.
This is our no desk bookshop. She is the working the lines and board.
Whoa. This is CMOS? The microscope. What is this?
你这个是在做什么？拍摄。She is testing the wires.
Right. And there?
这个在打螺丝是吗？
对。
He is assemble the air bolt with the lines, together with the lines.
Right. Let's go around.
Okay.
Right. Let's go there. Okay.
Maybe
Yeah.
this side. This is our aging
So showing here some aging.
Yes, before packing the products, we should
Yeah.
testing with aging the products and maybe 24 hours.
24 hours
Yes,
aging.
and in this side it is with the high temperature and bad working conditions and to test if the cameras work. So after that we will recheck the camera if it works well.
All right, let's go around this way.
Okay.
How about these guys?
This is our maintenance part.
So can fix?
Yes, fix the camera. All the faulty the broken cameras or something wrong cameras during the production, they will set here and to repair it.
What is that? What is this?
这个是 start
是的。
start
Something? Okay, let's go out this way.
Okay.
Let's go. You have a warehouse?
Yes, we have.
Let's go.
This is our warehouse.
Oh, this guy. He's using CCTV. Anyhow.
This is our monitor room.
This is a back row CCTV.
Yes, this is our CCTV product.
So you can see what everybody's doing. All right. Let's go in there. So this is all the stock?
This warehouse here.
Yeah. What are you shipping out? So 100K every month.
So here is some materials of semi products and the finished products.
All right, so a customer can just contact you, make order, you will ship like this, ship 100 or also ship samples, can do?
Yes, we have some stock for the most of the products. So our delivery time is very good. So if you have set order here, we will check here if there is the product here, so we can send out the products as soon as possible.
And you can do warranty?
Yes, warranty is 2 years for our cameras and DVR. During this time, you can send back the cameras and other products, and then we can prepare it all to send a new ones for instead.
And if people want special CCTV camera, your engineer can make special one?
Of course, we have we have engineers, so we can do some OEM or some your special software. And MOQ may be 1,000.
1,000. If people order more, price cheaper?
Yes, of course.
All right.